Hey, sixth graders, let's get started on some more SketchUps here. So, if you have not already gone and opened a new tab and went to a split screen, take some time to do that now. Okay, now we're going to draw object 3, and I'm going to hopefully show you a few things that might make it a little bit easier. So we'll start out by getting rid of Yahoo here. And there we go. And now I'm going to grab my rectangle tool. And I can tell by looking at the shape we have to make that it is 1 inch wide. That means it's 1 inch along this plane. And then it is 4 inches deep. That goes along this plane this way. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of these tools down there. So let's start drawing our rectangle. And again, I click and I drag. I don't click a second time. And now if you look right down here is where the dimensions are, down in the right corner of your screen. So while I had started and clicked here, I moved out, and I'm not going to click a second time. I'm going to enter my dimensions. So 1 wide and 4 deep, and then hit enter. And now that's really, really tiny there. So I found out that we can use this tool down here called Zoom Extends. And that makes it much larger, easier to see. So now I'm going to just rotate this. And I'm going to zoom this so it's a little smaller. So if I start high on my screen with my zoom tool, I can zoom out. And now I'll just move this down over here. Now, if I look at my part again, I can see that it needs to be 4 high. So I'm going to grab the push-pull tool, and we're going to start out. Just click on it and start raising up. Don't click a second time. And again, the dimensions get entered down in the corner. I'm just going to type in 4 because that's how high it needs to be. And enter. And now I can go ahead and zoom one more time. I'm going to zoom out. And then reposition this with the pan tool. And now I've got that. So it's now we need to cut a section out right here. That's going to be kind of like making this a U kind of in a way, sort of sideways. So let's grab our rectangle tool. And we need this to go in the correct location. So I need to start right here. And I'm going to start by making a rectangle. And what I'm doing is I am paying attention to the dimensions down here as I'm moving so I can get an idea of what number I have to enter first. So I can see that the first number is for the height of this object. So I'm going to go ahead and enter. I know I need this to be 3 inches high and comma 1 inch deep. And I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Now I will grab the rectangle tool again, start on this corner, and I am going to make this 3 inches by 2 inches. And that didn't work out right, so now we'll go here and use this tool. And let's get back here. And now I'm going to enter 3, 2. It all has to do with the direction you start dragging your mouse, I guess. So now we're going to come up here and grab our eraser tool. So I'm coming over here. Going to erase this line right there. And take our push-pull. Again, I'm just going to click on the surface one time. Start to push. Don't click again. We need to push 1 complete inch. So I enter 1. And there we go. That's our object. So I'm going to go save. And we're going to make this object 3. And we need to put this in our DM Google SketchUp folder. Which is there. Select. Oop. Oh, I figured that. I tried to delete it. That won't happen to you. So I'm going to have to name this Object 3.1. Yours can be Object 3. Say OK. I'm going to get rid of my face here. Again, I need to put this in my DM1 folder. Or DM Google SketchUp folder, excuse me. Select. And remember to do a screen capture. That would be where you hit Control and the button right above the 6. At the same time, you're going to hit Control and the button above the 6. And that will give you a screen capture. And then you need to put it on your slideshow. All right, good job today. See you back for the next one.